Johnny, Juliana.
College educated, she graduated. Any bill she can't afford, her parents paid it. The show was fun, you the only one with a car, your girlfriends. But being that she's a big fan, of course she made it. Most girls wanna hide the fact of the thrill they chasing, but you just wanna get drunk tonight and fuck someone famous. So I just name a time and a place, and you're game for value player, hotel room, meet you there. Wake up, drunk, go to sleep, fucked up. We both amazed at what we just done. Mixing drinks, no real regret this. Ain't been asleep yet, room service bringing us breakfast. All this money, dog, what else is left to do? But smoke and enjoy my presidential view. Got a swimming pool in my living room. Upstage interviews, time to style, let's consume.
Someone